Can you override cleaning cycle with my washer?
Is your washer top or front loading? How old is it?
Top loading.
How long has this been going on with your washer? What have you tried so far?
It is new and I have used it for 6 weeks.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
The washer requires a clean wash using Affresh.
Good morning. My name is. I'll be assisting you with your appliance today. Please give me a moment to review your question. I'm sorry to hear you're having issues with your appliance. I understand how frustrating that must be. If you don't mind, please allow me a few minutes to type. In the meantime, if you have anything else you'd like to add, you can respond and I'll read it while I'm typing. You can run the cycle without Affresh to reset the cleaning timer, but you cannot just override the cleaning feature. If you run it without Affresh, you'll want to manually run the washer again in the clean cycle after you have time or get some Affresh. Without going the cleaning process, the washer will build up mold and mildew which can't be removed without taking the unit apart and scrubbing it clean once the buildup gets too bad. I'm glad I could help. If you need anything else, just let me know. I hope you enjoy your experience with JustAnswer.com. I look forward to helping you again in the future.
This Maytag washer is new and I have used it for approximately 8 weeks and done laundry once per week. Now the top load non-agitator micking will not start and has a message that requires me to run a cycle with Affresh.
You can just run the clean cycle without putting in Affresh to reset the clean indicator.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.